Good day to you, all you boys and girls and men and women and all of you Mad Hatter mathletes. Here we go. Today in Mad Hatter Mathematics, we are going to find out the square root of Mad Hatter's problem. Ding, 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 ding. All right, so how on earth would we solve for Mad Hatter's problem? The square root of it. I mean, really, because isn't that all we really care about is the bottom line square root of the problem? Right. Well, let me first begin this by letting you know that all Mad Hatter mathematics are just absolutely crazy. It hardly won't make any sense. Oh my goodness. So we're going to try and do it quickly. But we all know how that goes with me. Oh my goodness. Right? Let's begin. So, to find the square root of Mad Hatter's problem, let me first illustrate what has happened today. So, we're going to group this all together because A plus B equals X. Okay? This is what's going to happen because we're going to use X. Okay? Actually, it's going to be X squared. So A is the action that has pissed me off, which was removing things that weren't yours. So, and B is the person. Oh, goodness. The letters make me giggle. I like math, don't you? So, B is the person who should not have done this. But since B went ahead and did that, guess what? Now you suck. Times two. Or times yourself. Ha! You can go times yourself. Stuff. Good golly. So, the removal of the things that were not this person's, okay, which is what this is, plus the person doing that made them squared. You square today. All right. So, with that being said, we now have X minus my things, all right, squared, doing all of this over, let's see, how can we name it? Me, doing all this over me and my things, right? I have them at this point. So let's solve for the square root of Mad Hatter's problem, right? How do we solve for the square root of Mad Hatter's problem in Mad Hatter Mathematics? Mad Hatter Hettie? Well, let me show you. It's gonna make a lot of actual math carers kind of mad, but try to follow. So we have x squared, and they took my things, which really I guess I should do it this. Welcome to Mad Hatter Mathematics. Oh, my screen recorder is running, y'all. It's 3 o'clock. We got to get this in before the bell. All right, so doing all this grouped together. So plus my things, and now it's me minus my things. I changed my mind, everybody, in Mad Hatter Mathematics. Right, so guess what? We're going to get rid of this S. You know how? I don't care. We multiply it by S. Because I know that over here, it is not going to be about Mad Hatter's problem with my stuff. It's not. Absolutely not. You crazy. What happens is we're going to take the square root of Mad Hatter's problem, which is equal to all this crap, all right, is equal to an x squared minus an s. We're going to go ahead and do a minus s on both sides of this little thingy, and that's plus s. I don't care anymore. We're taking this negative s because it's going to multiply to there and take this away, but it multiplied to there, and then it just leaves me with no s and just sad. So what does that mean in the scribblies for my Mad Hatter math? It means that a negative x squared, because that's how bad it is. Well, it takes all this over little old negative me. Well, I'm checking my time, y'all. Oh my god, I got 10 seconds. How do we fix this? The square root of my Mad Hatter problem is not my stuff. It is only this, because we're going to take me Now I have a problem. Guess what? Having a problem is that. So HP, my Hatter problem is equal to some negative X. Doing too much. The end.